Welcome to JIRA. In this video, we are going to talk about the issue screen and the different issue types field. Don't worry, if you're not familiar with JIRA yet, we explain everything in simple terms. When you create a new issue in JIRA, you'll be taken to the issue screen. This is where you can enter all the details about the issue you are working on. One of the most important fields on the issue screen is the issue type field. This field lets you specify what type of issue you are working on. There are several different types of issues in JIRA, including bugs, tasks, and stories. Let's say you're planning a vacation. You could create a new issue in JIRA and select the vacation issue type. Then you could fill in all the details about your trip, like the dates you're going, where you're staying, and what activities you'll be doing. Each issue type has its own set of fields, so you will only see the fields that are relevant to the type of issue you are working on. For example, if you are working on a bug, you might have fields for the steps to reproduce the bug and the expected versus the actual behavior. That's it for today's video. We hope this has given you a better understanding of the issue screen and the different issue types field in JIRA. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and follow our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle.